If you've ever shopped at Costco and wish someone could help members get the most out of their membership, then the Costco membership assistant role might be worth checking out. This position is all about helping customers understand their membership benefits, answering questions, and recommending upgrades when they make sense. You'll also assist with new memberships, renewals, and make sure members have a smooth experience from start to finish. What makes this role stand out is that it's not just a sales job. Yes, you'll talk about executive memberships and other services, but customer service is the biggest focus. If you're friendly, confident talking to people, and enjoy solving problems, this could be a great fit. Another plus is that Costco is known for offering competitive pay, solid benefits, and opportunities to grow within the company. Many employees start in entry-level positions and move into higher roles over time. Overall, if you're looking for a retail job where you interact with people every day while working for a company with a strong reputation, the Costco membership assistant position is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check the job requirements and responsibilities before applying so you know exactly what to expect.